Hi, this is Manesh Patel with blackbar.com. Today we're going to go for the results for this week's of trading for the black bar, the TNT as we call it. It is a AI forecasting tool that works for any instrument and any time frame. But what we do is we show you week by week the results for the US stock market, currencies, and futures, and sometimes also international markets such as India and Europe and so forth. So you can see exactly what the results are because proof is in the pudding, proof is in the results, and so forth. So let's begin. So here is my chart. This is in TradingView over here. So we're going to show you this here. So here's a list of all these TNTs that we had at the beginning of the week. The most critical thing that happens is that we have a list of instruments that we know it has a high probability to move this week. So this is the list here that we had for the US stocks, currencies, and futures, which is this. This is not much at all. So it tells you there's not a consolidation going on in the market, not many opportunities at all. But that's okay. You only need a couple of them to sit there and have a good week. And that's what you want in a consolidation pattern with a lot of volatility that we've been experiencing for the last couple of weeks. Okay, so what you're looking for is this black bar here, and it tells you that something's going to have a high probability to move on the next bar. Which way is the next question? If it has a red background, that means you're going to bet on it going down. That means it's bearish. If it has a green background, you're going to bet on it going up. It means bullish. If it has no background, that means it's a low probability trade. So you have to incorporate something else into your trading plan, which we will show you. Okay. So let's go for the results here. And remember, we say you bet on this going down. We give you a blue dot here, which is a couple of points below the TNT low here. That's your entry. The red dot is your conditional stop. And then if you shrink this down, you'll see some blue crosses right there. That is your target. So we give you everything that you need to have in order to trade the system. So P card here, we entered here. There was a conditional stop. It did not trigger at all. And then this was profitable at the end of the week. EOG, this is a bullish trade here. This gapped up, then it went to our entry here. Our conditional stop is right there. It closed out positive at the end of the week. NOV, same scenario here. This did a little gap, not much. Then it went up to the entry and it was profitable at the end of the day, end of the week. DLR is profitable. Disney, this is one here. This was profitable too. Entries right there, so it's profitable. These are trades or break even. So we do have money management built into the system where if after enter, if it goes down a certain amount, in our bar, we will change our stop to break even because we don't want to go round trip at all, which is the number one mistake a lot of retail traders make. So this was break even. This here was a bullish trade here, entered here. At some point we went to break even. That was break even. This is a bearish trade that went to break even. These are trades here that did not trigger. This is a red background, so we're betting on it going down. Never hit the blue dot. NAVI never entered. ITW never entered. PGR never entered. SYY never entered. FAST never entered. PSX never entered. Now, these are non-shaded trades. And what you're looking for is a drawdown in these opportunities here before it breaks the higher low. It doesn't matter which way, as long as there's no shade. Here, this opened here, then went up, okay? It didn't go down to the red dot at all. Went up, then came down, went for the red dot, then we entered here on the bearish side. So this is a profitable bearish trade. HCA was a profitable bearish trade. RF was a profitable bullish trade. Here is a loser here where this did enter here and it closed here. So this was a minor loss. Remember, our conditional stop is right there. So we didn't even get to our conditional stop. At the end of the week, it did not turn out to be profitable. So we have to exit the trade, which is part of our money management. A here, this is break even. SYK is break even. and then these are all no trades at all. But you could see that they did move, it just didn't fit our criteria of having a drawdown before it enters because there's no shade. Okay, so you could see here, very simple and so forth. So system is very, very simple. You have a black bar, it tells you something's going to happen on the next one. Therefore, you have a list going in before the market opens at all of all the opportunities. Once it breaks the high or low of that TNT, then you could go with money management built in. And if you look at the results of this week, we had 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 winning trades here. Sorry, yeah, 8 winning trades, 1 losing trade, and about 5 break-even trades. Break-even. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the social media posts that you're seeing. If you have any other questions, please let us know. Thank you.